Longevity, meaning pronunciation, longevity, meaning longevity refers to the length of time that something lasts or continues, particularly in terms of a person's life or the duration of a specific activity, object, or condition. Simple meaning: longevity equals long life or lasting duration. Common uses. 1. Longevity noun, life, the long duration of a person's life. Example: the doctor's advice helped him achieve good health and longevity. 2. Longevity noun, general, the long existence or duration of something, such as a product, tradition, or relationship. Example: the company's longevity in the market is a testament to its success. 3. Longevity noun, nature, the length of time an animal or plant lives. Example: tortoises are known for their longevity. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. Regular exercise is believed to contribute to longevity. 2. The company has achieved longevity due to its high-quality products. 3. She's enjoyed good health and longevity, living well into her 90s. 4. His career in sports lasted with great longevity because of his commitment to fitness. 5. Longevity of a tree depends on the type of species and the environment. Real-life explanation. Longevity is most often used when talking about how long someone lives or how long something lasts. People often associate longevity with good health or long-lasting success, whether it's a person's life, a company's existence, or an object's durability.